friends, today what we're going to work on is relating multiplication and division. Sometimes you will need to find an unknown number in a multiplication or division equation. For example, 3 times something equals 15, or 15 divided by something equals 5. To solve a multiplication equation, you sometimes need to find an unknown number. This multiplication array below shows 3 rows of 5 dots. We have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 of 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use a question mark to stand for any unknown number in an equation. You can also use a shape such as a box as well. In a multiplication equation, you may be trying to find an unknown factor or an unknown product. Remember, factors are the two numbers that we multiply together to equal that product. Sometimes you need to find an unknown number in a division equation. The division array at the right shows 15 dots in equal rows of 5. So there's 15 total, and in every row there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a division equation, you can be trying to find an unknown divisor, dividend, or quotient. Remember those words. 15 divided by something equals 5. So that one you're looking for the divisor. Something divided by 5 equals 3. That's when you're looking for the dividend. And then 15 divided by 5 equals something, and that is when you're looking for the quotient or the answer. Let's practice these words in Schoology tonight for homework, guys. So practice finding the factors or the products, the divisor, dividend, or quotient. See you soon.